Okay, let's get to work on these fabulous tacos. You'll notice here I'm using salmon that I had pre-portioned and from the freezer. I've got a great video on my YouTube channel on how to fillet and portion and package salmon, so check that one out. We'll go ahead and slice these up. And I'm going to be frying them in my pan tonight in a little bit of olive oil, but first I'm going to prepare them with a little bit of seasoning. You'll see the combination that I'm going to use here in just a second. I'm going to be giving a nice fresh squeeze of lime juice and then of course lemon juice at the same time. So we're just about done slicing up the salmon into strips. I'll go ahead and place those in a bowl. There is that great fresh lime juice and the lemon juice to follow. Now we'll give a few cracks of salt and fresh ground pepper. I'm actually using peppercorn tonight. And then I'm also going to add in a dash of red chili powder and smoked paprika. Great flavor combination. I forgot my fresh dill before I mixed everything together, so you'll notice me here in a second go back. I've brought out my fresh dill. I actually just had it behind me on the other counter and it slipped my mind. So I'll go ahead and give that a fresh chop and then add that in. And then I'm going to wrap up this salmon and place it in the fridge. Ideally, I'd like to leave it in there for about an hour or so. That way it can take in all of those great flavors, and then we'll proceed on to frying everything up. Okay, as everything is getting finished up and ready for the fridge, do me a favor, go ahead and smash that like button, hit the subscribe button. That way you can see some more great recipes every time I post them. You'll be able to follow and cook along together. Okay, our salmon is all ready. Poof! That was a quick 2 hours in the fridge. Always lay away from yourself. That way you can contain the splashing and hopefully avoid some oil burns. That salmon is looking fantastic on there. I love the flavor of dill. This is such an easy recipe. I'm also going to heat up my tortillas in the same pan once that salmon is done cooking. That way those tortillas can absorb all the great flavors. There they are. I'm going to start by layering in a little bit of mayo. You can certainly season that mayo up and make it a garlic mayo if you choose to do so. Next, I'll add in my salmon, and then what I call the star of the show tonight is my bok choy salad. I've got a great easy recipe for the bok choy salad also on my YouTube channel. Go ahead and take a look at that one. It's so versatile. You can use it with many great dishes. I love the flavor of my bok choy salad recipe with tacos. Here it comes. Great combination of flavors in this bok choy salad. Such an easy recipe to put together as well.
Easy recipe tacos with bok choy salad. Boom! Oops, we did it again. These are delicious.